Hi, I'm Amanda Gertjejansen, and I'm the Senior Production Manager for Final Assembly for NASA's Space Launch System rocket, and this is Rocket Science in 60 seconds. The core stage is the spine of the SLS rocket. Its 2 huge propellant tanks and 4 RS-25 engines provide over 2 million pounds of thrust to launch NASA's Artemis missions to the moon. Because of the size of the hardware, the core stage components are connected in 3 major joins. First, we made the forward skirt to the liquid oxygen tank to the inner tank to form the top part of the rocket, or the forward join. Then horizontally, we made the liquid hydrogen tank, followed finally by the engine section. To properly align the flanges as they come together, we use live photogrammetry on 6 bolt locations to make sure they properly align.